Well, welcome everyone. Hope all is well. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving, and I've been excited about these live streams, so I'm going to get right into it. And so I wanted to share that starting a YouTube channel is can be a little stressful and overwhelming, but it's actually super simple. So I think that I've overcomplicated it, and once I've started just to go and just try and figure out, what tools do what and how I'm still figuring out this live stream situation, but it's just such a process. So I just wanted to give you some tools just to get you started in 2026. And if this is something that you want to take on and actually get involved in, I think it's a great opportunity, great learning experience, and but the tools are definitely needed. And so I have been on this journey of being mindful of not spending way too much money on tools at this time in my life. I think diapers are way more important to purchase than maybe the latest tech items. So budget has always been top of mind for me. And so I just wanted to share the tools that I have that I've been able to upgrade here and there that are still simple, still budget friendly, but that just get the job done and get you to a place where you're able to just start and upload videos and make sure that it's just like a very simple process. And I'm not a videographer, so I don't have these really cool, expensive items to play with, but my background currently is mainly school psychology and web design. So that is the perspective that I'm coming from. And so I'm just going to share the tools that I use to, record videos. I'm not currently using the exact setup because I'm doing a live stream and I'm using the Logitech um, webcam to do it. So, but when I'm sitting down and doing a lot of my video recording for YouTube or even for Instagram or whatever platform, it's typically the one that I'm going to share. So I'm going to start with first one, small rig camera tripod. This is a 71-inch. This is one that I've upgraded in the last couple months, and it is a beast. I mean, it's got all these extension abilities, balance. It's got this making sure things are aligned well, and I really like it because it's sturdy and it holds everything that I need. It gives me options, but there's also room for growth with this tripod. The one that I had before was simple, got the job done, but there was no room for growth. And if I want to upgrade my camera, I would have been very cautious, concerned about using the previous tripod. But with this one, super sturdy, and I really like it. I honestly don't even use a lot of the features because my setup is so simple, and I'm not using a heavy camera or setup. So it does way more than what I needed to do, but um, it's been super helpful. So I'm just going to put together my um, setup for you guys so you know exactly how I put it together. But yeah, this tripod is really good. Like I said, small rig. I'm actually an affiliate marketer through the Amazon program, so I'll leave all the links down below in the description. But again, like I said, this is giving me room to grow into, and God willing, I get a nicer camera in maybe the mid or end of 26. But right now, this is what I use, and it is way more than I need. I just wanted a super reliable, sturdy options for growth, and it comes with a cool iPhone um, attachment or iPhone, whatever, smartphone attachment, and all that good stuff. So you'll see that in the links there. Next one up is the Ulanzi URig Pro smartphone video rig. Now this I've had this one for a really long time now, and I love it because it gives me some versatility when using my iPhone, and you'll see why. I mean, this is actually from the tripod, but simply going to put it back on my tripod, and then I'm going to show you later, but this is where I attach my iPhone there. And yes, I'm using an iPhone to record YouTube videos. It is a 20, I don't know what year it came out, but it's the 14th, the iPhone 14, and it gets the job done. Simple point and shoot, and gives me the options I need. So this is a little rig that I use, and it's very helpful. I've used this for a long time now, and as you can see, it has multiple attachments. So like if you want to put a light on there or whatever other attachment you have, what I use it for, because I'm using the iPhone, I don't have a flip out screen, right? So I use this thing, which is really sweet. This is the Nicey Rig Vlog Selfie Mirror. And when I am using my iPhone setup, I just simply attach it here. Let's see if you can see this. And I'm able to then see myself from my iPhone. When I'm using my iPhone, I'll get to it, but I'm using back um, the back lenses, so that gives me a better picture than using the selfie lens. So highly recommend use the back camera to shoot videos, whether it's YouTube or short social media clips. Use this side. And so that's why I use that selfie mirror. I'll get to it, but I'm going to go on to the next thing. I recently got these. I love them. They're called the Cool Dual Ball Head Magic Arm Adapter. And essentially, it's a clamp, the slight extension here that hooks onto like a camera, microphone, which is what I use it for. So these clamps are amazing. I used to have this GoPro clamp, and I ended up breaking it. And this is really sturdy. They come in packs of 2, and highly recommend these. These have been very helpful for me because I do like using the Rode Go 2, and it helps me to attach it onto the tripod and then give me a little more angle versatility for the microphone. Initially, I was just putting my old microphone on top of here, and I noticed the volume, or like the way the microphone was capturing my voice, wasn't all that great. So I definitely changed it, and it's been a huge improvement. Obviously, the Rode Go 2 has been a huge improvement as well, but this has been very helpful. So again, essentially, it's a clamp. Just clamps on here. Very straightforward. And then I did get the newer 2-pack cold shoe mount, and it's this little mount here. I wonder if you can see it here. So this goes on this clamp adapter. It goes on there. Bam. And what I use that for is for the next item, the Rode VideoMic Go 2. Go 2, yeah, this is the one I'm using. And I used to use the one before it, and I liked it. It worked for the time. I upgraded, and I'm glad I did because it's definitely more clearer. And I wish I would have bought this one first, actually, instead of the one before it. Now I use that for like a backup microphone, or if I am, for example, on this live stream, I can use the secondary. If I'm live streaming from my phone, I can use the secondary as backup social media content. So I can definitely use that. But I'm currently using the Rode VideoMic Go 2, and this has been awesome to use. With that, so I'm going to put it on my little clamp here. So bam. And I ended up getting the Rode SC19 USB-C to Lightning cable, and great length, and I love what it does. It goes USB-C straight to my iPhone, and I love that it hooks up directly into the microphone. The old microphone that I had, that one was frustrating to work with because I had to use the actual cable I actually had to buy a different cable to utilize it onto my iPhone's dongle. So it was a complicated process, and the length of it was frustrating to work with. So um, getting this lightning cable has been a game changer, and I really like it because it gives me, again, versatility. And I want to decrease the tension um, that I could experience when making videos, because I need it to be streamlined, quick, ready to roll, because I am very limited on time, which is why I've actually enjoyed doing these live streams, because it's such a life time saver, and I've been enjoying being able to do the live streams. But I just think of like, how can I reduce the amount of time or stress to be able to just film and um, and move forward into the next video, or upload the video or edit it, whatever I need to do. So yeah, this cable has been a game changer. I really like it. Goes straight to my iPhone. Works great. No problems here. Um, one one thing I highly recommend, since I'm using my iPhone, I when I'm working out in the yard, or um, I'm doing something that involves dirt, I periodically have to clean out my iPhone input here. I don't know what this USB-C input here, because it does accumulate a lot of dirt. And if it's not clean, then these cables will not read it. For example, like a dongle or this lightning cable. I've had issues like that in the past. I'm like, why isn't it capturing it? And it was really dirty. So if you're using your iPhone, be mindful of your inputs when utilizing an external microphone. Some people are using the wireless microphones. This is what I got. This is what I'm using. It's worked. It works. So I'm not changing it as of now. So then I hook it up to my iPhone. The next thing I do, and this is the iPhone 14. So currently the iPhone 17 just dropped, and it looks amazing. However, I cannot afford it yet, so I am sticking with my 14. I'm filming with my 14, and it's getting the job done. So um, the next thing that I purchased is a really cool Pro Lens attachment for my iPhone, and this is really sweet. I really like this one. It's called, I didn't get the actual name, but Zenvo. The link's down below, but this has been a really cool addition. Gives me a wider, view through my iPhone, and it simply attaches to whichever viewport you want to utilize, whether it's the 0.5 or the one. I don't know all these like terminologies. Again, I'm not the 0.5 or one time 1x. Again, I'm not a videographer, so I'm not really familiar with all the terms, but I do know that this gives me a clearer picture, wider angle, and it just makes it look better. So I spent a couple bucks to get this, and it's been very helpful. So you don't need to know a lot of the language yet, obviously. However, knowing some of the tools that can help you is super essential, because it does create less tension when creating content either on YouTube or Instagram, whatever it is. So this cool little lens here has been very helpful. And let's see here. I do have the HP USN softbox lightning kit. Lighting kit, sorry, not lightning kit. Lighting kit, and can't see them. This is what I've been using these for a long time, and so far they've been very helpful. I'm still getting used to playing with the lights, and I mean, I can see myself. It looks good. I'm not really worried about lighting right now, to a degree, I suppose. I am trying to figure out, what's the best setup still, and so far this has been great for me. The lights give me what I need. So I know I could dial it in and get better lights, but it's not on my radar right now. So these have worked. And if you look at my channel or even my social media, like that's the lighting is coming from these. There's no other lights here. I'm just strictly using those. So they've been great. They uh, do their job. They give me light, and yes, it can be better, but I'm just trying to get these videos out and making sure that they're helpful and they serve you. And yeah, if you're actually watching the replay, let me know. Type replay in the comment section. I'd love to connect with you. So, yeah. And the last one, as far as what is operating everything. So I'm using the 22 Apple MacBook Pro. This one has an M2 chip and 13-inch. So I was on a budget. I was able to land a freelance client, doing some user experience work for this particular business. So I was able to save up and buy this sweet workhorse of a computer, and so it does everything that I need it to do. I've tried to just like inundate it with a lot of like Windows opened up different software from like Adobe, and I really was trying to push it to see when it would start, stalling or overheating, and it's taken on quite a beating. So I love this computer. I'm not going to update anytime soon. Even if I can, I'm still going to hold on to it. Might get like a keyboard and maybe different little like keypads and all that stuff just to make work way more streamlined. But as of now, it's a great computer. I really enjoy it. And again, there's a affiliate marketing link down below, and so you'll see all that information in the description. But I hope this helped you. We at this point it is December 1st, 2025. We have a couple more days till the new year, and some of you may have something in mind that you want to start, that you want to just make sure that you start 26 with. And if it's something that, for example, a YouTube channel or even more content for your business on social media, whatever it is, I highly recommend just get started, get it done, and you don't need a fancy setup like a lot of the more successful YouTubers have. You just need something that's simple that you can use, that you're comfortable with, that you can just press record and then move forward and share your story, share what you have to serve other people. And it's just this process is very forgiving. I think a lot of people that have YouTube channels know what it takes, and but in the end, everyone will tell you just to get started, and you'll be able to look back and appreciate your growth. Highly recommend starting in 2026 with your YouTube channel or posting on social media. And if you have any questions or any insight from whatever I can help you with, just let me know. Hit me up in the comments section, or you can find me anywhere on social media using at Jason E. Romero. And I'd love to help you and connect, and hope all is well. Merry Christmas, and I hope you have an amazing new year in 26. I know I'm excited to see a lot of growth, and hope I get to serve you. If you have any questions, like I said, let me know, and I'd love to connect. Take care and have a great night.